a million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me
Hey y'all, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip, and I'm excited because I was on the quest to find some human hair to take with me on my trip to Hawaii. So our friends over there at Jurllyshe sent us over some hair. Now this box is beat the hell up. I don't know what's in it. Let us see. If you look at the description box, I'll put some direct links to Jurllyshe because we have worked with them before and we like their hair, but it's been a minute. So let's see if we still do, okay? So in the box, they have the wig, but they also put in some stocking caps and a headband. And this little piece, I guess this is fake scalp. Y'all know I don't know. We'll see. The wig on this packaging, it says that it is in the color FB30 and it's 24 inches long, and I think it's a teeth part. Whoop, whoop. I hope it is. Oh, and that color is absolutely fire. I put my feet in that pedicure. Okay, I'm sorry. I've been sipping, okay? Y'all look. Oh, that color is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm hoping that this is a T-part wig because those are my faves, okay? The construction is you get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and that small piece of lace. And then in the front, you get ear to ear lace, that T-part, a comb to the right and a comb to the left. Okay, the hair on this, y'all, that coloring is to die for. That is absolutely gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna plop this on my head before I do anything to it, and then I'm gonna step off camera and flat iron it and stuff. All right, so there's that part. Of course, I need to cut this lace off. My head looks so freaking big, okay? Can I shift it? Yeah, I'm a weird over here to the right, hands down, but you can shift to the right, left, any of those things. All right, so let me cut off this lace and put a little powder in the part, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so boom. I know you're wondering why am I dressed like this and why I'm in my bathroom. Y'all, it's because I forgot to click record, but it was for the best because I gave this wig a better shot by, you know, not recording it. I just got off work, y'all. Lord, I was tired, okay? But all I've done is cut the lace off of this wig, and I'm just brushing it out. You're going to see me lay down a few of them baby hairs, a little swoop-de-swoop, and then I'm going to run my flat iron through it and come back with my final thoughts. by actually fully reviewing it this way. The hair is absolutely gorgeous, and I do love the coloring. The coloring is the selling point on this wig. Absolutely gorgeous. I am getting tons of flyaways though. Can you see them? Because I can, just like you can see my makeup all jacked up because I've been at work. But I'm getting tons of flyaways. This little stick, this wax stick is perfect for it. I'm gonna see if I can get some of it on camera. So if you see that there, so you see how they went away, or you see that little one right there? But I mean, just know that you're gonna get that. I used it here. And you see that I have less over on this side. But the hair is absolutely gorgeous. If I took the time out, you really don't need a wax stick. If you get some hairspray before you flat iron it, it'll lay them down too. The color is the selling point on this wig. And if you are looking for some easy, why am I doing this like I'm a thug trying to initiate you into my game with these broken nails? If you are looking for some human hair that is easy, I can definitely recommend this one by Jurllyshe, because it is absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, the length is good. The density feels good on it too. And when I get a unit that's long like this, I don't want it to have a high density because then it's doing too much. This does not feel like a whole lot of hair on my head. Tons of movement too. Ew. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. I do recommend this one. If you look in the description box, you should see a direct link to where you can purchase this unit. And they normally give me a coupon code. At least they did last time. If you don't see one now, we ain't working with them again. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. I don't know. Maybe it's your Auntie Jessica. I'm going to use my name because I've been at work all day. That's how I'm feeling. Maybe it's your Uncle Jesse. Whichever one of them, send them our way and we'll get them right. As long as we get them, you know, understand they're going to have to work with them flyaways. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye. Bye.